Welcome to Napa Solutions Hub Bearing Assembly Installation Video. Before you begin, this installation is considered a mild repair procedure by our technicians. Suggested time of installation is between 1 and 1.5 hours to complete the entire replacement instead of over 3 hours with a non-pre-pressed assembly. Warning: take proper precautions when dealing with electrical equipment. Disconnect the battery before performing any repairs. To begin the installation, remove the wheel and tire assembly. Next, remove the 2 caliper mounting bracket bolts, which will allow you to remove the caliper from the brake rotor. Be sure to suspend the brake caliper, not allowing it to hang from brake hose. Loosen rotor from hub assembly. Gently tapping edges of rotor may help to break rotor free. Excessive force may cause damage to rotor. Once the rotor is free from the hub assembly, you are now ready to take off the hub dust cap. Using a small flathead screwdriver, gently pry the cap from the hub assembly. Remove the cotter pin from the axle. Then, remove axle nut. Once the axle nut is removed, loosen the 4 bolts attaching the bearing assembly to the steering knuckle. Please note, you will have to loosen all bolts halfway before you are able to fully remove the hub bearing assembly. Separate axle from assembly using an air hammer or mallet, allowing you to fully remove the 4 bolts previously loosened. Once loose, remove assembly from vehicle. Please note, our technicians recommend that you check behind the knuckle for a worn seal. If needed, we have included in our kit a replacement seal. With your replacement assembly on the bench, lubricate and install the provided seal on backside of hub bearing. With your new pre-assembled hub bearing assembly, follow steps in reverse order for a quick and easy repair.